Now I'm going to take these one after the other and see, so that we see some examples of how these take place. The first one is removal of oxygen. A chemical substance is reduced when oxygen is taken away. It is oxidized when oxygen is added, but reduced when oxygen is taken away. So any substance that takes away oxygen from another is a reducing agent. So the element or compound that removes oxygen from another is a reducing agent. Now, in a chemical equation, a reducing agent will have more oxygen than it initially had. A reducing agent after the reaction will have more oxygen than it initially had. Now let's see this, if it is true. Here we had lead oxide, PbO, and then we have hydrogen molecule here, hydrogen gas molecule here. They react, and then we have lead standing on its own, and then water. In this case, lead has been reduced. It has been reduced because oxygen has been taken away from the lead. Now, the substance that is taking the oxygen away is what we call the reducing agent. Hydrogen is a reducing agent in this case. It is a reducing agent because it is taking away the oxygen from the lead. Okay? And then I said that the substance will always end up with more oxygen than it initially had. Over here, hydrogen did not have any oxygen atom. But in the end, hydrogen had one oxygen atom here. So this hydrogen is a reducing agent in this equation. It is a reducing agent because it has taken oxygen away from the lead. Let's see the second example. We had iron 3 oxide, okay, reacting with carbon monoxide. Over here, the carbon atom had only 3 oxygen atoms attached to it. This iron had 3 oxygen atoms attached to it. Okay. Now, in the end, the iron had no oxygen atom attached to it, but this carbon had 6 oxygen atoms attached to it. Carbon monoxide has removed all the oxygen atoms. Carbon monoxide has removed all the oxygen atoms from the iron. Okay? Carbon monoxide has removed all the oxygen atoms from the iron. What does this mean? Carbon monoxide is a reducing agent. It is a reducing agent because it has taken oxygen from the iron. Now, carbon monoxide is now oxidized. Why? Because it has more oxygen atoms than it initially had. Okay, so reducing agents always end up getting oxidized. They are stealing from the other substance or the other element.